Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a pantry peach cobbler. You know, all this quarantine stuff going on. Man, got to get creative out there. Alright, let's get started. What I have here is puff pastry, but the recipe calls for the store-bought pie crust. But don't have any. You know, stores is crazy right about now, so I'm working with what I got. So now, what I'm doing here is making a quick slurry. So half cup water and a quarter cup flour. Gonna use that as a thickening agent. I'll show you in a few. Gonna heat up our trusty cast iron skillet. Love that thing. So we're gonna get our peaches down, and we'll get our one stick of salted butter in there, and get everything going. So we want to get everything incorporated. We want to get our vanilla extract, the ground nutmeg, ginger, cinnamon, and get that all incorporated. Then I'll show you what we're gonna do with that slurry we made. Now we're getting that slurry in there. We're gonna turn up the heat a little bit, and we want to get it to thicken. So the hotter it gets, it's gonna thicken up more. You'll see in a second. So at this point, putting the little pieces in there, kind of like making like dumplings, little dumplings. Adds a nice texture throughout the cobbler. See, it's starting to thicken up. Starting to bubble up now. The hotter it gets, the more it thickens. You'll see right here. So right now I'm just gonna shut the heat off. All right, right here we're gonna make a little lattice top with our puff pastry. Now here we're going in the oven, 350, 35, 40 minutes. You want to check it at about 30, see where you at. And here we are, fresh out the oven, nice and bubbly. Threw a little cinnamon on top, finish it off. But yeah, that puff pastry wasn't too bad with it. This would be perfect paired up with some vanilla bean ice cream. Just a nice quick video on a pantry peach cobbler. Thanks for watching. Be safe out there.